Momma baby birth kit. We recommend that you carry at least one of these, but preferably more than one. One in your car, one in your house, and if you have childbearing women in your family, then extra kits, okay? And nice to have extra kits for other people in your community and neighborhood also if you have the resources available, so I highly recommend that. But even if you're a birthing mom and you're planning a hospital birth or a birth center birth, you should have a kit anyway, because you never know what kinds of things could happen in the environment that could change your birth plans, okay? Whether weather or from civil unrest or any disasters or anything could change your birth plans, okay? One large backpack or bucket, 5 pairs of women's underwear, 10 washable menstrual pads, 1 peri bottle, 1 rain poncho, 1 emergency blanket, 2 garbage bags, 1 or 2 or more meal bars, 1 packet or more of electrolyte drink, 1 bottle of water, 1 bottle of natural prenatal vitamins with, if possible, methylated B12 and folate, 1 toothbrush, 1 tube of toothpaste, 1 bar of soap, and we recommend Kirk's brand because it's hypoallergenic, and you are welcome to donate any of these items to us here at 1892 Salem Pines Lane, Rexburg, 83440, Charlene Campbell, if you'd like to send donations or cash for donations to be purchased. And I'll just keep going. Thank you for your support. 1 large washable bed pad. It could be a plastic tablecloth and a bath towel, or it could be a shower curtain, a new shower curtain with a thick towel. 2 sets of kitchen gloves, 1 or 2 gallon size Ziploc bags for the placenta, 2 to 4 hand towels, several washcloths, 4 safety pins for the diapers, 1 baby sling. You can also have a baby bunting bag for cold weather. 6 to 12 washable diapers, 2 to 4 t-shirts or onesies, 2 flannel receiving blankets, 2 baby nighties, 1 bunting bag, 1 baby hat, and 2 pairs of small socks. Now that's the Momma baby birth kit, but inside the baby birth kit is the family cloth kit, and so I'm almost done. I'll just read that. 1 bag or large Ziploc or a little tote bag to hold your kit in. We like to use cloth tote bags with drawstring. 15 to 25 8x8 flannel cloths, double ply, zigzagged or serged around the edges. 1 bar of Fels Naphtha or Zote laundry soap, 1 peri bottle or travel bidet. And that's really important when you're using the family cloth, that you realize that you're just spraying most of the debris off and using the family cloth to pat. That way you understand it's not like toilet paper where you're not using any water. You're actually using a bidet. 1 hand towel, 12 clothespins or clothespins to hang up your family cloth after you hand wash it, 12 feet of paracord, 1 bar of hand soap, Kirk's brand, 1 small size travel bottle of liquid Castile soap, and 1 small travel size spray bottle with diluted vinegar for sanitizing. Thank you so much.